Yes, guys, welcome again. It's another day, bright and sunny in the Portmore City, doing my routine. You know, and today is a slow day, really. In terms of workload, and there's no children going to school, hardly anybody going to work because of the expected storm or hurricane. But I'm still doing my daily routine. I'm still doing my day-to-day routine, guys, and keeping a keen eyes out on the weather. Right now it's bright and sunny. You wouldn't even believe that there is a system out there. It's bright and sunny, like just an ordinary day. Yeah. So I mean, a lot of people are saying that they are not expecting any storm or hurricane, just typical rain. But from what I've seen on the Weather Channel, it's more than that, guys. So I'm doing shopping I did some shopping yesterday, and I'm gonna take up a few items today again, because I can't be too prepared for a thing that you're not sure if it's likely to happen, but you're still not sure. It's always better to be prepared than not prepared, because it's not like you're gonna lose anything, guys. There's nothing to lose, right? You're gonna use up the item same way. So just bear that in mind. So guys, just please remember to like, share and subscribe, and leave a comment if necessary, because each one teach one. I just know that I'm here for you guys. Alright? So have a blessed day, guys. I'll keep you tuned.
I move slow.
Yeah.
Bad man. Bad woman.
That's a bad girl, mom. That's a bad girl.
Bad girl. I have to just pray.
Yeah, pray for the person. Yeah. Yeah, man, that's the best we can do. We can just hope for the best. If you do that person.
Ivan is bad. Ivan bad enough. I tell you.
Yeah.
I will never get the full of Ivan.
Yeah, man.
I tell you. So if we survive through Ivan.
Yeah, I guess we can survive through this.
Ivan was a dangerous storm. Hurricane.
Yeah, man.
4? 4?
I'm close to.
Shell down the place, I tell you. Shell down the place bad.
Close to Gilbert down.
Me I tell you, man.
Yeah, man.
So if we go through them storm here,
Yeah.
we will survive.
Yeah.
Even
But-
some we not deserve it, but God have been pity upon us. That we can make it through.
Yeah. I know people don't take it serious even now. People are saying, nah, go come.
Our chopper is big one.
We not get no storm or hurricane.
I know.
Yeah, so we're in at the supermarket. They're in the supermarket and spare crowd. Nothing not on the shelves. big one another day. Yeah.
Oh, look at the pumpkin one. Pumpkin one. The pumpkin flavor. Hmm? Mm-hmm. No, I've never tried that one before. Never. I wish. Mm-hmm. Never let this one. Can't buy no tomato neither, because it's a tomato how much money. Nothing there in the place, nothing at all. The shelf them empty. Nothing at all, not there. Empty shelves. Find it back. Yeah. Save mama like this. She like them little cake thing now. I give her some more seeds. So, alright, pick up one of this. Another sardine. Pick up one more of each, I don't know. Come on. You look around us, huh?
Stay right there, baby. Don't block the way.
Don't block the way.
Again and again and again.
See you there. Come here, the taxi one. Oh, next time. tomato. No eggs. Shelves are empty. Right now I'm in Master Mark food store.
You want?
Juice up on the ground. Now we brown. Ready? You're not gonna need. Yeah, I got you. Huh? No, I'm done doing my other now. Leave more of these. Yeah. Yeah, cause nothing really is in here. Nothing is in here really. Shelves are empty. Big Lucas here. Yeah man, so not a good look, it's not a good look. People wait until the last minute to do their shopping, and now it's turning out to be a catastrophe. But which one? All I know is that, guys, all wholesale, all supermarket, all shop owners are going to be smiling, right? Because a lot of persons are doing some shoppings that are, unbelievable. So, I'm one of them. This is my second shopping from week, because I was just watching to see what really is gonna happen, and I think this one is serious, guys. This one is serious. This one is definitely gonna hit us, so we're just gonna be prepared for that, and try do our best to prepare, because you have some people out there really that that is not in any state or condition to contain this this hurricane or storm. You get me? Their living condition are deplorable, and yeah, people are living on the hills that are, carries a lot of landslides and stuff. You get me? So, guys, this hurricane is gonna linger, our storm. It's gonna linger over Jamaica for a while, and we just have to be well prepared. Persons are here, doing shopping don't normally do. They don't normally do, right? So you know that, people are finally, trying to take this seriously right now at this time. You know, yeah, it's sad. People who don't have the money has to be borrowing, begging, just to ensure that their families are, fed when this hurricane or storm hits. Because it's gonna be like days worth of rain in Jamaica. These guys, can't leave our homes. I mean, good thing we have corner shops. We have corner shops in housing schemes and things to really, maintain us, for when we can't go to the supermarket. So we have to big up our corner shops right now. So stay tuned, guys. Nicholas Ale, Hayle. How much money? How much it come up to? I'm up with the 5.
Yeah, good. Put the 5
Not a change.
They said she's gonna come here. She said Miss Thompson is gonna come back when we reach in grade 4.
Who said that?
The students. Yes, some even thought they saw her.
Oh, so she told him that she's gonna come back.
Yeah.
Oh, I hope she does. But hopefully she teaches her class in grade 4. Hopefully. You think she's gonna teach her class? I hope so. But I think I'm about to do some work while you're over here, mommy, yeah?
Yeah.
Do some, timetable and reading and stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys, so I'm taking Nikai over to his mom to spend the break from school, or the weekend, or the storm break, whichever you want to call it. Yeah. So because the storm is coming over the weekend, she's gonna have him for about 3 or 4 days.
3 or 4 days.
Yeah. So we don't know when school is gonna resume.
Yeah.
So we're all prepared for that. far them reach now? How far am I going to pass them? Still stuck up the same on the truck. I just ensure it's let me get around the corner. Yeah, people, so the sky just start getting dark, you know. It seems like we're gonna start getting some rain anytime soon. I hope everyone is prepared and, you know, settled. You know, who on the road, hurry up and reach home because there's a lot of traffic on the road. You know, guys, please be safe and, you know, try, you know, do the best you can throughout this weather. Alright guys, so right now the traffic, I can't handle the traffic, guys. I really can't handle the traffic right now. It's too long, moving too slow, and I'm not the type of driver that's gonna overtake a long line of traffic. You know, I don't feed police, guys. I stay far from those types of activity as best as possible. You know, so I'm gonna go home and fix my mother a nice dinner and, you know, make sure that she's well. You get me? So guys, just stay tuned for the rest of the day and stay blessed.